When it comes to maritime safety, understanding the differences between lifeboats and life rafts is crucial for anyone venturing out to sea. Both are essential survival gear, but they serve distinct purposes and are designed differently under the SOLAS regulations, which stand for the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. Let's start with lifeboats. These are sturdy, self-contained vessels designed for the safe evacuation of crew and passengers in emergencies. Lifeboats are typically made from durable materials like fiberglass or aluminum, allowing them to withstand harsh marine conditions. They can carry a significant number of people, often equipped with seating, oars, and even engines for propulsion. Lifeboats are designed to be launched from the ship either by gravity or through a davit system, ensuring that they can be deployed quickly and efficiently in an emergency. On the other hand, life rafts are inflatable and meant for quick deployment. They're compact and stored in canisters on board, making them easy to access when time is of the essence. Unlike lifeboats, life rafts are designed to accommodate fewer people and are often used when a ship is sinking or in distress. Once deployed, they inflate automatically, providing a floating platform for survivors. Life rafts are equipped with essential survival gear, such as water, flares, and first aid kits, but they lack the structural integrity and comfort of a lifeboat. Now, let's talk about the regulatory standards set by SOLAS. Both lifeboats and life rafts must meet strict safety requirements, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of the ocean. Lifeboats, for instance, must have a minimum capacity based on the number of people on board the vessel, and they undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can be launched under various conditions. Life rafts, while smaller, must also meet specific standards for buoyancy, stability, and the equipment they carry. When comparing the two, it's essential to consider their functionalities. Lifeboats are designed for longer-term survival and can be used for rescue operations, while life rafts are more about immediate survival and getting people off a sinking ship. The choice between the two often depends on the situation at hand. In calm waters, a lifeboat might be the best option, but in a rapid evacuation scenario, life rafts can be deployed in seconds. In terms of survival equipment, lifeboats typically come with more comprehensive gear, including navigation tools, food supplies, and water. Life rafts, while they do carry essentials, are more limited in what they can provide. However, both are equipped with signaling devices to help rescuers locate survivors. Understanding these differences is vital for seafarers and anyone involved in maritime activities. The right equipment can mean the difference between life and death in an emergency. So, whether you're a seasoned sailor or just starting your ocean journey, knowing when to rely on a lifeboat versus a life raft can significantly enhance your safety at sea. Engaging with this knowledge not only prepares you for potential emergencies, but also fosters a culture of safety and responsibility among all who venture into the vast blue.